Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the Options Live Trading Room Trade of the Day for Thursday, May 23rd, 2013. Today's trade of the day was actually a really quick scalp in Apple on a 2-minute chart. Apple did benefit for a really strong run after about 10 o'clock in the morning. We were actually trading something else, and we didn't take advantage of this. It kind of passed us by. So what we were watching was when it hit that high for prices to come back, and then as prices came back up to make an equally high high, we were actually watching for a bearish divergence, just watching the relative level of momentum to the upside. And so what we saw was as Apple came up, this is the first high. This is the height of these general bars over here. See the indicator line also. Prices came down. They moved back up. Now, as the prices were moving back up, we were watching the prices hit moderately overvalued level. So we're actually looking for an equally high high right about this at 446. We didn't quite get it because we saw the bars forming. But as the indicator line started to flatline a little bit, we were a little concerned that the prices would not get as high as we want them to. But when we were watching them, as the momentum started to weaken, we went ahead and took a short position on this bar right there. And prices moved down. They hit the 8 EMA, moved to break even for our positions, and we were looking to sell them at the opposite value level, the moderately undervalued level. The one thing about this is the very first bar, at moderately undervalued, we see the slope of the indicator line is still pointing down quite around 40 degrees. So we didn't go to sell right there. The next bar, we see that it's also in moderately undervalued, excuse me. The indicator line was still sloping. The third level right here, we see that the indicator line started to flatline. So we went ahead and quickly took profits there. So this trade was the prices moved about $1, between $1 and $1.20. And for a Delta 70 credit, Delta 70 option, that is probably worth around 85-90 cents. So, and that would have been a perfect trade. I think we came out about 70 cents per contract, and that's $70 per contract for that kind of move. And this move lasted almost 10 minutes. So that was actually a very good trade. It was very consistent. It was very textbook, and it was easy to catch if you're looking for it. So again, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant. That is Options Live Trading Room Trade of the Day. Good luck trading.